Good morning, my ladies and my gents. Welcome to Wednesday, which means it's time for another thrilling episode of What Did You Buy Wednesday? And Itch. uh, One problem having mustache and beard is sometimes they like to itch when you're not expecting. But anyway, this is What Did You Buy Wednesday is hosted by Joe over there at Big Sky Model Workshop. And his idea is if you got something, show it off. We all like stash ads. It'd be 15 kits that you went downtown and picked up from your hobby store or wherever, or you bought a paintbrush 2 weeks ago. And you never know because you might wind up inspiring somebody to do something different. So, with that in mind, I got a couple of orders, one of them from HobbyLinc that finally came late last week, and uh, a couple of kits that I had been looking at and looking at and looking at. And I finally just said, oh, you know what? Screw it. I'm going to go ahead and get them. Both of them Mobius. I also got a few things from Josh over at VCG Resins, but I'm going to do a little something. I'm going to a separate video with that because I'm also want to kind of show some of the breadth and scope of what he's got available, and because I think I've got a little bit of almost everything. So, but that's going to be a separate video, kind of a thank you to Josh at VCG Resins for all of what he's done and the support over the years. And so, but anyway, well, let me get the camera turned around and I'll kind of show off what we went ahead and got over at HobbyLink. So hang tight. Here we go. All right. Well, here we go. Some of the stuff I got from HobbyLink. Of course, a lot of y'all have seen the F-250 Ranger with the snowplow. I thought about it and thought about it, and I thought that might, well, finally. And if y'all will remember, here a while back, I got one of the snowplow kit itself from Phoenix Models, who does the Mobius kits. I got that and realized I didn't have instructions for it. And I emailed them, and then I went to looking at HobbyLink when I got a notice that it had been shipped. I looked at it and oh, I'm getting the Ranger with snowplow, so I have another set of instructions for it. So anyway, that's got that. Uh, I'm gonna might do something kind of fun with it. See what I can accomplish with it. Then we come over, and this guy came out November, December this last year, and it sold out real quick. The pre-orders took a lot of them, and it sold out. And I'd been thinking about it and thinking about it, and I've got another 4x4 or 4x6 record that I kind of kit bashed with again with VCG resins stuff, and so but so I thought, well, do I really want another? And I got the big Peterbilt wrecker and stuff like that. Well, what the heck? Let's go ahead and do it because that's a big F-350. So, I may do something. I may do something with him. So I don't know. We'll see. And then I got a little bit of supplies. I got these little guys. Let me get a little bit better set up here. Little bitty drills. These are the size 77, and did some looking, and they're roughly the 0.5 millimeter size bits, and they are easy to break and they wear out quickly. And I got those really wonderful sets that I got from Josh a while back, a couple of sets, and right away I broke the 0.5 millimeter and I broke the 0.3 millimeter because I'm a gorilla. So the other thing I got was a set of these 1.5 millimeter rods, and these are real good for all kinds of stuff. And I already dug into it for another little piece of something that I did the other day. I don't remember what now, but I think it was axle shaft or something. But anyway, well, that is pretty much what I got from HobbyLink. I'm not going to keep this one too awful long because I got some other stuff that I want to do with this. But anyway, um, I'll have put a link in for HobbyLink just in case y'all want to click on it, as well as what is it, Phoenix Models, I think it is. or Phoenix Hobby or something. I'll find it and have a link with that in the description. So anyway, thanks again to Josh over at VCG Resins for all his support. Be sure and go check out his website. Use promo code Jester10 and get 10% off your order for everything except the shipping, which is $6. And what he does with the shipping is just absolutely phenomenal. Something breaks, it's because they threw the box under the truck and ran over it. So, yeah, go check him out. Be sure and use that promo code. It lets Josh know that you're actually watching my videos, and his faith in me and in y'all is well placed. So be sure and go check him out, man. And like I said, I'll have a separate video kind of showing a lot of the stuff that he's got available. So anyway, I'm going to get out of here. This thing's gone on about long enough for what little bit I got. So, B-Tex signing out.